Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will show you how to factoring the difference of two spheres. Okay, the formulas of the difference of two spheres is if I have a sphere minus b sphere, that a is anything number or anything expression or anything, and b is the strength, and we can write it into a minus b and multiply by a plus b. So now let's look into our example. Yes. Okay. So now if I have a square minus 49. So 49 I can write it as 7 square. Yes. So a square minus 7 square. Then this is an A and this is an a B. Okay, so we can write this into A minus 7 multiplied by A plus 7. Okay, so let's take a look in the second exercise. Okay, so now if I have 16x square minus 9. Okay, so 16x square, I can write it into 4x square. Okay, and 9, I can write it as 3 square. So this expression will become to 4x square minus 3 square. And this is A and this is B. Okay, so we can write it to two factor is 4x minus 3 multiplied by 4x plus 3. Okay, so now let's start to the third example. So if I have 9a square minus 4b square, so I can write it to 3a sphere because 3a sphere is equal to 3a multiplied by 3a, so it's equal to 9a sphere. Okay, and for b sphere we can write it is 2b sphere. Okay, and in the same way this is a and this is b, so we can write it to 3a minus 2b multiplied by 3a plus 2b. Okay, so now let's move to another example. Okay, so let me think about another example for you. Okay, so if I have 121 x square minus 9 y square. So you know that 121 is equal to 11 square. And 9 is equal to 3 square. Yeah. So now we can write it to 11x square minus 9y. Oh, sorry, not 9y. It's minus 3y square. Okay. So now it's written as 11x minus 3y multiplied by 11x plus 3y. Okay. So next example. If I have 81x square minus 121 y square. So 81 we can write it to 9 square and 121, we can write it is 11 square. Okay, so now we can write it to 9 square minus 11y square. Yes, this is A and this is B. Okay, so the difference is 9x minus 11y multiplied by 9x plus 11y. Okay, so next example. How about t square minus 1? If t square minus 1, you know that 1, we can write it to 1 square. So in the same way, we can write it as t square minus 1 square. Okay, this is A and this is B. So we can write it into t minus 1 multiplied by t plus 1. Okay, so next, if I have 9a square minus 4. So 9a square, we can write it into 3a square. And 4, we can write it as 2 square. Yes, so the answer is 3a minus 2 multiplied by 3a plus 2. Okay. How about the expression if I have 44a square minus 25b square. So 44, we can write it as a square. Yeah. So it's 8a square minus 25, we can write it as 5 square. So 25b square is equal to 5b square. Yes. So now we can write it to 8a minus yb multiplied by 8a plus 5b. Okay, so this is all example that I want to show you and explain you. I hope you understand. And if you have any question, you can comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.